Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install a VPN on your Samsung Smart TV. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. Since Samsung's Tizen OS doesn't support VPN apps directly, we need to get creative. The most reliable method is to have your PC handle the VPN connection and share that secure internet with your TV. First, make sure your Windows PC is connected to the internet and that you have your preferred VPN application installed. For this demonstration, I'll be using NordVPN, but the steps are similar for most major VPN services. Begin by opening your VPN application on the PC and connecting to your desired server location. Wait until you see the confirmation that you're fully connected and protected. Now, we'll create a shared network. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Navigate to Network and Internet, and then click on Mobile Hotspot in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll need to configure the hotspot before turning it on. Click Edit to set a network name and a strong password for your new wireless network. This is the network your TV will connect to. Once configured, toggle the switch to On to activate the mobile hotspot. The crucial next step is to tell Windows to share the VPN connection through this hotspot. Stay in the Network and Internet settings and scroll down to click on Advanced Network Settings. From there, select More Network Adapter Options. This opens a window showing all your network connections. You need to find two specific adapters here. First, locate your VPN connection. It will be named something like Tap NordVPN Windows Adapter. Second, find your mobile hotspot adapter, which will be labeled as a Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter. Right-click on the VPN adapter and select Properties. Go to the Sharing tab. Check the box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. In the drop-down menu below, select the mobile hotspot adapter you identified earlier. Click OK to apply these settings. Now, on your Samsung Smart TV, go to Settings, then General, and select Network. Open Network Settings and choose Wireless. Your TV will scan for available networks. Find and select the name of the hotspot you just created on your PC. Enter the password when prompted and connect. Once connected, your Samsung TV's entire internet connection will be securely routed through the VPN on your PC. You can verify this is working by opening a streaming app on your TV. You should now have access to content from the VPN server's location. This PC sharing method is incredibly effective because it provides a stable, full-strength VPN connection for all your TV's streaming needs. If you're looking for faster speeds for streaming, a much larger server network, and advanced features like malware protection, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's a more powerful service that also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free. Try it for 30 days using the link below.